Lane. I'm the owner of Easy Transaction. Easy Transaction is an online appointment scheduling and booking app. Today's topic is how to track past and future appointments to drive business growth. We'll be looking at numerous reasons to track your appointments, be it previous appointments or those that are upcoming. Even if your medical practice or business has performed exceptionally well in the past, tracking appointments still has a lot to teach us. Tracking past and future appointments is critical, whether you're trying to get the most of customer data or make revenue estimates. Today, we're going to go by step-by-step instructions on how to keep track of appointments to assist you. Step 1, take a close look at your current strategy. Several firms operate on an ad hoc basis when it comes to booking appointments. Step 2, locate those meetings. This may be a challenging undertaking for those of you who are not naturally organized. You want to gather as many appointments as you can from the past and put them all in one location. Businesses with several professionals booking appointments should aim to consolidate all of their bookings so that they may all be digitized. Step 3, make those appointments digital. We live in a digital age, and if you're still using pen and paper, well, it's time to upgrade. You may digitize your appointments in various ways, including entering everything into an Excel sheet, using scheduling services like Google Calendar, or using apps like Easy Transaction to automate them. Step number 4, gather all of your materials in one location. Having 10 separate Excel sheets full of appointments is almost, but not quite, as terrible as having 100 post-it notes full of them. So the goal of digitization is to make the information as accessible as feasible. You may effortlessly automate your business by sorting past and upcoming appointments by client name, team member, and date using Easy Transaction. Step 5, now that you've gathered all your data in one place, you can examine when customers book, who they book with, and how much they spend on average. You might also try to figure out what information you're lacking. Step 6, develop good habits. You've gathered all your information in one place now. You've included required fields to help you keep track of how your customers engage with your company. Now you must enter every appointment into your new system and have your entire team do the same thing. This is pretty simple with Easy Transaction because we ensure that appointments are automatically monitored as your clients make a booking with you. The do-it-yourself method necessitates a little more effort. However, you must pick between spending money and investing time. If you're looking for the best app to keep track of appointments, download our app today. It's available on the App Store and Google Play. Also stay tuned for more videos like this with some tips and tricks on how to grow your business online. Again, you can also visit us at easy-transaction.com. That's the letter E, the letter Z, -transaction.com.